Heat ghee and oil in the pressure cooker. Add the whole spices. Salt until fragrant. Add 1 sliced big onion and 2 slit green chilies. Fry until onions turn golden brown. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Salt for a minute until the raw smell disappears. Add 2 chopped tomatoes and salt. Cook until tomatoes turn soft and mushy. Add the powders as in the description. Add ½ kg mutton keema. Soak the meat on high flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Wait until the oil starts separating from the sides. Add 1.5 cups of soaked Basmati rice soaked for 1 hour. Add fresh mint and coriander choppings. Mix gently to coat the rice and spices without breaking the grains. Pour in 2.5 cups of hot water. Close the lid and pressure cook for 3 whistles on high flame. Let the pressure release naturally. Let it rest for 20 minutes. Hot and aromatic mutton keema pulao is ready.